What's up? What's up? Alright, today I'm singing for y'all Let Me Love You by Mario. Check me out. Here we go. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, stick around. And I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You the type of woman deserve good things. It's for the diamonds, head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Your true beauty description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby,